Imagine a home where every inch of your space works smarter for you, not the other way around. At Invisiblebed, our iRoom solutions are designed to redefine the way you live, merging innovation, design, and comfort to create homes that breathe freedom and functionality. Whether you live in a cozy studio or a compact apartment, iRoom solutions help you save up to 70% of your space, giving you room to live, work, play, and rest effortlessly. Every Invisiblebed product is built with smart ergonomics and high-quality materials that adapt to your lifestyle, not just to your space. It's comfort that moves with you. With our innovative wall beds, study units, and convertible furniture, you don't just save space, you improve the quality of your daily life. Less clutter, more calm. Less compromise, more creativity. iRoom Solutions by Invisiblebed, because smart homes start with smarter spaces. Free installation and transport. Easy EMI options available. Delivered all over India. For inquiries, call 1-800-547-0209. Also visit our experience centers at Thane, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore to experience our products yourself.